Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be washing the car with this car shampoo by Cess. This car needs washing bad. So let's see how it works. So how much? It just takes a little bit, right? In the top.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to do the top.
Oh.
Get some up on the top, baby. Too. Okay. You need to cut back. You got that work shirt on again.
Right. Yes.
Is that all it takes? Uh-huh. It doesn't take much, it's concentrated. Just that little bit will wash this whole car. It smells like bubble gum? You're gonna go back over and do narration, right? Or captions. Look how much that soaked up. Car wash. You want your car washed?
Shampoo, ginawa ko.
20 pesos. Yeah, this stuff soaks up good. Wow. Okay, rinse that much. Rinse the top off good, and then we'll do the sides. Rinse all the sides. Not me. I'm sorry. Let's see if it rinses off. It might not. Are you stepping on it? Okay, here you go. We're all done. Look how shiny that car is now, except for where she's putting it. Look at that. It does do a good job. For an old car that's all scratched up, came pretty clean. This one we done already. And that one. Not really. Good job. Okay, do it all again. I didn't have film in the camera. Pretty good.